I made an eggnog chai latte. Some shortbread cookies that I made. This is a Christmas tree, in case you can't tell. Really good. Highly recommend. Anyways, hi, I'm Jackie from So Bright Creations. And if you haven't guessed it, today we are thrifting. I love a good thrift. Sometimes I keep the things for myself. Sometimes I flip the things. And sometimes I keep them and then flip them. Keep watching because in this video, I'm going to show a few different thrift hauls.
Yeah.
This one.
No, we're not gonna buy that one. Come this way.
That's cool, eh?
Okay, you pull the cart.
That's a me. Mom, is there room back a little bit? Got the water book and watch out, mommy.
We got a ton of toys, like way too many toys. But I think the best find I got today is this Yum box. These things are like 45 bucks and it was $1. Both my kids use these in their lunches and they only have one each because they're 45 bucks, but they are my favorite thing. I love them so much. So super happy to have an extra one for $1. So it gives me a little leeway in cleaning because right now it's like clean the same one every single day, which is good because then you don't end up with a lunch kit that's full of rotten things. Super pumped about that. Got some books and they gave us a garbage bag because we got so many toys, but we're gonna sort through the toys today and you have to buy them by the bag. So some of them he just wanted one thing. So we're gonna sort through them all and keep the ones that we want and get rid of the ones that we don't want, and then go through some of our toys in the house as well. So this will keep me entertained. First, we're gonna clean them with my mint cleaning supplies.
I bought a whole pile of baskets from a friend of a friend. Sometimes you can get a really good deal when someone says, hey, I'm cleaning out, some baskets. Do you want them all for this amount of money? So I usually just say, yes, I'll take it all, because those are the type of people who just want it gone. They don't want you to come sort through things and be picky or anything. They're just cleaning up. So you give them money, take them all, and then I bring them home, clean them, sort through them, decide which ones are going to sell, which ones I want to keep, or which ones I want to like package with other things. And yeah, so I just picked these baskets up. I got a good deal for 20 bucks. I got all of these baskets for $20. This one has a lid, which is really cool. And then this is a cute set of 3. I'll clean them up. They're a little bit dirty. There is some wear on it, but just disclose that if you're gonna sell it and take pictures of it, and that's fine. This one's really nice. Might actually keep it, and I might keep that one with the handles over there, or maybe I'll sell it. I need to keep some for a cabinet downstairs, so I think for sure I'm gonna sell these ones and those ones, and I'll let you know. I'm gonna use this TSP alternative. It's a furniture prep cleaner. I got this stuff from the Mason Jar Studio in Terrace. They carry tons of Fusion Mineral paints. So I'm gonna use that on the sled and give it a good wash down. And then I'm gonna paint it with Fusion paints.
So I ended up getting this sled at our reuse it shed for free, and I ended up refinishing it. You'll see at the end, I'm still not sure if I love it. It took me a while. I finally did sell it. I relisted it on the buy and sell several times because it wouldn't sell. So I ended up selling it for $15, and I did advertise kind of as a home decor because it's missing the rope and all sorts of things. So yeah, I don't know if that was really a win for $15.
For it. I don't know. Do we like it? Do we not like it? I feel like I need to take it outside to see what it looks like. Okay, here it is all finished up. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't think I really love it, but I'm gonna try and sell it. It's okay. It's okay, I guess.
Part of my thrifting videos, I typically go through items that I have flipped, but the next list of items that I have flipped recently is very long. I've done really well, actually. So I'm going to save that for part 2. Hit that subscribe button, keep following along, and stay tuned for part 2, my thrift flips.